Cilantro. Cilantro refers to a herb that is commonly used in cooking and is also known as coriander or Chinese parsley. It has a distinct pungent aroma and a strong, citrus-like flavor. The term cilantro is primarily used in American English, while coriander is more commonly used in British English. Here are a few examples to help you understand the usage of cilantro in different contexts. 1. Culinary usage. I added a handful of chopped cilantro to the salsa to give it a fresh and vibrant taste. The recipe calls for cilantro leaves as a garnish for the curry to enhance its flavor. Some people find the taste of cilantro to be soapy, while others love its unique flavor. 2. Ingredient in recipes. The Thai green curry recipe requires a teaspoon of ground cilantro seeds for that authentic taste. The chef sprinkled some freshly chopped cilantro on top of the soup to add a pop of color. If you're making guacamole, don't forget to include cilantro for that extra zing. 3. Cultural significance. Cilantro is a staple herb in Mexican cuisine, used in dishes like tacos, salsas, and enchiladas. In Indian cooking, cilantro is commonly used as a garnish for curries and chutneys. Cilantro is an essential ingredient in many Southeast Asian dishes, such as Vietnamese pho and Thai green curry. 4. Personal preferences. I love the taste of cilantro and always add it to my homemade salads for an extra burst of freshness. Some people have a genetic predisposition that makes cilantro taste like soap, so they avoid it in their recipes. If you're unsure about cilantro, try using a small amount first to see if you enjoy its flavor. In summary, cilantro is a versatile herb used in various cuisines around the world, known for its distinct aroma and flavor. Its usage can vary depending on the recipe, cultural traditions, and personal preferences.